Oxygen having high electron affinity receives these emitted electrons and forms superoxide anion, O2-. Subsequently, superoxide anion, O2-, being negatively charged, attracts to the positively charged airborne allergens, such as dust mites, pet dander, and haze particulates. These newly formed precipitated particles, being heavier, fall to the ground due to gravitational force and are removed from the air we breathe. In addition to removing airborne allergens, negative ions also help to eliminate airborne germs at the same time. During electron spray ionization, high voltages released from the anion module are induced onto the airborne water molecules. This caused the dissociation of airborne water molecules, H2O, into ionized form of hydrogen ion H+ and superoxide anion, O2-. Hydrogen ion H+ and superoxide anion, O2-, react spontaneously to form hydroperoxyl radicals, HOO-. Subsequent reactions between the hydroperoxyl radical, HOO-, and airborne water molecules, H2O, occur naturally and hydroxide radical, OH- is formed. The hydroxide radicals, OH- diffuse into the surrounding environment to seek out for airborne allergens and germs. Similarly to superoxide anion, O2-, hydroperoxyl radical, HOO-, and hydroxide radicals, OH-, being negatively charged, are also attracted to positively charged airborne allergens, which speed up their removal. Hydroxide radicals, OH-, being a superoxidizer, and hydroperoxyl radicals, HOO-, as a disinfectant, work to eliminate airborne germs as well. Being highly reactive, hydroperoxyl radicals, HOO-, and hydroxide radicals, OH-, attach themselves onto the surface of airborne virus, bacteria, and fungi, and extract the hydrogen atoms, H, from their protein coat and cell membrane. Water vapor, H2O, is formed and dispersed back into the air as a result of the combination of extracted hydrogen atoms, H, and hydroxide radicals, OH-. Ultimately, with the damaged protein coat and cell membrane, airborne germs are unable to survive and are thoroughly eliminated. In a nutshell, advanced electron spray ionization technology emits more than 25 million negative ions of superoxide anion, O2-, hydroperoxyl radicals, HOO-, and hydroxide radicals, OH- per cm cube, providing a more effective way to maintain good indoor air quality. Superoxide anion, O2-, hydroperoxyl radicals, HOO-, and hydroxide radicals, OH-, remove airborne allergens such as dust mites and haze particulates. On top of that, hydroperoxyl radicals, HOO-, and hydroxide radicals, OH-, also work to eliminate airborne germs such as bacteria, viruses, mold and yeast, and unpleasant odor. Next, let's go through the workings of advanced plasma corona discharge technology. Advanced plasma corona discharge produces an effective ozone concentration within 0.05 ppm for effective and rapid air sterilization. During the advanced plasma corona discharge process, high voltage is applied to the plasma corona discharge unit. As such, strong electric field is produced from the tip of the sharp anion pins which strike onto the oxygen molecules. This process causes the dissociation of oxygen molecules, O2 into free oxygen atoms, O, and when released into the ambience air, results in the formation of ozone, O3, instantly. Ozone being 51 times more powerful and acts 3,000 times faster than chlorine, eliminates harmful airborne germs and unpleasant odor to provide sterilized indoor air. With proximity to the airborne germs, the loosely attached oxygen atom, O, detaches from ozone O3 to oxidize and weaken the protein coat and cell membrane. Eventually, this reaction ruptures the protein coat and cell membrane, which leads to immediate death of the airborne germs, hence ensuring good and safe indoor air quality for you and your loved ones.